description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that came by way of Kenchan Ramen. And this is a collaboration between them and some gluten-free entity called Gluten-Free Meister. And this is their Shio ramen with ginger and garlic flavor. Yeah, so where is it? Where did I put it? Is it over there? It's right there. Okay. So that is what we are doing right now. What is it, 5 to 6 minutes of boiling? Yeah. Alright. 5 and 1. And 1. No. 5 and I want to do 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, so here we go. This should be interesting. I'll look at the ingredients in this noodle as it boils. This is another one, you cook it, you drain it, you add it to a different boiling water. Here's the noodle. I'm gonna guess that this contains some, let's see, maybe a tapioca flour, maybe an oat flour? I don't know, I guess we'll see. So it boils. Let's see what it says. White rice flour, non-GMO, potato starch, modified starch, alginic acid, ester, and vitamin B12 or B2 for color. Interesting. That's some lovely shade of vitamin you got there. Okay. So my wife did the whole gluten-free thing for a little while, and it seemed to help her a lot when that was like post-COVID stuff. She just couldn't deal with anything with gluten in it. It made her like ill. Well, now she can again. What kind of sucks with the whole gluten-free thing is how much it costs. A lot of the, like, I was getting her these tortillas, because she likes the tortillas, and they were gluten-free tortillas, and they were ridiculously expensive at our local store. We've got a Safeway, and you know, if you're in the States and you have to deal with Safeway or Albertsons, it's just like, man, it's like, I don't know when we're gonna move again, but when we do, it would be nice to move closer, like within walking distance of a different store than those. But I don't know, they all kind of suck. Fred Meyer's nice. I like that one. I'll give it that. I like Fred Meyer. That one's fun because whoever's doing the purchasing is finding like all sorts of really neat stuff to put in there that they don't have anywhere else. And it's not like disgustingly expensive. Their produce is very nice. I've only had once when I've been like, this produce looks like crap. Once. At the place, I actually went and got produce today because the next one's going to be a cold noodle, but I'm going to save the produce that I got for that for stuff I'm doing tomorrow, because I think I'm going to do this more like the Zaru soba, and the next one will be cold. I don't think what I got would really work all that well with it. So that's the deal there. A dipping noodle. Yeah. But I never really expected there would be a time in my life when I would get as like super picky about the quality of produce. It's like, I don't care, I don't like vegetables. And that's me as a kid talking. It's like, I really don't. I don't know, I like vegetables a lot. I mean, I like good vegetables. I don't like gross vegetables. I was thinking about getting a new pot. Oh, look. I'm gonna give this a try. Oh, yeah, no. It's not ready. Let go. Get in there. Yeah. Once it's ready, I think it'll be good. But at the moment, the outside is kind of done. The inner core definitely is hard as a rock. So on the inner urban trail, the Burt Gilman trail that I walk on, they're doing a whole bunch of trail work coming up here. They just started one of my favorite parts of the trail. I think that's going for like a week or so. And then even closer, they're going to do it for like a week or maybe a week. So I'll have to walk the opposite direction and hope there aren't any trail, what do they call it? Trail maintenance signs up. I like to get out and walk, but when it's impassable, there's really not much I can do. And their detour is horrible. Very hard to cross the street at these two junctures. It's like not even worth it. Oh, but I found out something really neat. I guess I'm going to be going to the state capitol with my son and his class to go see the state capitol. I've always wanted to go there. I guess they have to do a background check. So they might say, no, Ramen Raider, you can't go. That would kind of suck. If you're curious, you can remain curious, but, I was young once. It was a very long time ago. And I did stupid things. With very stupid people. But nothing really horrible. At least I don't think so. Alright. Noodle and bowl. Noodle in bowl. So we need Rotato. Rotato got new batteries today. Yeah. Actually, it's more like new battery. It only takes one battery. So we're going to add the liquid base to the hot water. Shio. And we will add it, and then we will give it a try. That's good. I want you to be able to see the noodle. Look at that. All right. So this is a gluten-free noodle deal thing. And it's way forward, so I'm gonna have to like lean into it. So first I will try the noodle. Wow, look at that. It is sticky. Wow. It's our broth. Nice and oily. I like that. Yeah. Ginger and garlic, I am getting that. So it's a win. I like that. And what are we gonna do? We got an egg. We got an egg. I'm gonna try my old technique instead of using the blade. I did this with my daughter's dinner the other day that she really didn't eat much of. Yeah, it works. Yeah, she'll be like, I really want some good noodles, Papa. So I made her good noodle. I made her like the nicest bowl of noodles I thought she might like. She ate one. She ate the Narutomaki, which is not a shock. She loves that stuff. Yeah, she ate the Narutomaki and half an egg. That was it. She didn't want anything else. I don't care. I don't mind making her noodles. But it's like, come on, eat them. Nobody else is gonna eat them. But it's not the worst thing in the world, I guess. Some sesame seed. Maybe a little bit of, yeah, where's the holy spoon? I'm gonna use some of this, Likumki Chichow chili crisp in oil with the spoon in honor of my friend who passed. Gosh, getting close to a month ago. I don't care for that. That was a very rude thing of him to do. But I guess there's some things we don't have control over. But yeah, nice little bowl of Shio. And it's gluten-free for the gluten-free fan club. So very nice. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is the last of these Kenchan varieties that they sent. Thanks again. These have been a lot of fun. This is their gluten-free soba, and this says spice flavor. So the yuzu flavor has some shichimi that's yuzu infused. This one's just non-yuzu shichimi. And yeah, this one can be served hot or cold. The last boxed one I did was served hot, So this one is going to be a cold noodle. So, what do you call it? A dipping noodle. Not skimming, but like Zaru soba. So, anyways, this has been Hans the Ramenator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe if you want. Have a good one. Bye-bye.